Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mandarin Pronunciation Series. This is Yan 老师. In last episode, we covered d, t, n, l. The sounds made with the tip of your tongue. Today we are moving further back to the back of your tongue to learn three initials. G, k, h. In order to pronounce clearly, I'm using the vowel here to match with the 舌根音. What is 舌根音? G, k, h. All three of these start with the back of your tongue, rising towards the soft area at the back of the roof of your mouth. And just like b and p, d and k, g and k has the same air difference. Let's check it out. G. Mandarin G is not like the G in go in English. English G has a buzz in your throat. Mandarin G doesn't. Instead, think of the K in sky. Clear and quiet. No buzz, no puff. The back of your tongue touches the soft area at the back of the roof of your mouth. Then release. G, G, 果 k, k. Same position as g, but with a strong puff of air. The difference between g and k is simple. Air. G, no puff. K, strong puff. 可以 哥哥 Do you feel the difference? This is another 舌根音 h. Start with the English h in hand. Now imagine fogging up a mirror, that warm, slightly rough feeling in the back of your throat. In Mandarin, h has more friction than English. You should feel a slight roughness, like the air is being squeezed through a narrow space at the back of your throat. It's not a huge difference, but it's noticeable. 好 你好 Let's hear them all with their example words. 果可以好 Let's practice more with some tongue twisters. 哥哥喝可乐弟弟喝果汁哥哥喝可乐不喝果汁弟弟喝果汁不喝可乐哥哥给弟弟可乐弟弟给哥哥果汁 Alright, that's episode 5. G, k, h, the back of mouth sounds. In the next episode, we will look at ji, qi, xi. Enjoy your study. See you in the next episode. 再见。